everybody, today I want to show you this crochet project planner that you can use to keep track of your crochet projects in 2024. You will never miss any deadlines. You can get the planner free by signing up for the Let's All Crochet newsletter that has been linked in the description box below. So once you sign up for my newsletter, you will then be able to download this planner and use it as you want. So I'm just going to quickly show you what is inside this planner. So this is the cover page. You can write your name here. And this is a small thank you note from me. And here you will find all the links where you can find me. So this is the index and these are all the things present inside the planner. So next we have our dates to remember page and you can write down all important dates like birthdays, anniversaries and anything that you want to crochet a gift for. So next we have the charity goals page and you can fill in whatever charity goals you have for this year. So now we have our month-wise planner. You can just fill in all the months as they come. So you can see we have all the months till December. So next we also have the weekly planner. So we are going to fill in whatever we want for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then we will write the goal of our week. Then we will write top priorities, appointments and our to-do list. Next we have our daily planner. We have a to-do list. We have a little I'm grateful for section and we can take some notes and we can also make our schedule time-wise. Then we have the gift tracker. So we're going to write down the name of the item, the deadline or the occasion, the person you're going to gift it to and any notes if needed. And once you gift this, you can check this box. So next I have made a little page with gift ideas. So for an adult, for kids, these are accessory ideas. These are some ideas for home and these are just some random other ideas. You can obviously add to this list as you want. And while you're thinking of a present, these are the things that you will consider. What are the person's hobbies? Who is this for? What season are you gifting it in? And so on. I've just given you tips. You can obviously decide whatever you feel is best. Next we have 2 pages for brain dump. So you can recite the event and then you can write down any ideas that you have. And here you will calculate the amount of time needed. So this is so that you will finish your crochet project in time. And you will know which date you have to start on last so that you finish your crochet project on time. It's very easy and you'll just fill it out. Now here we have a full sheet for our project progress. So you can decide your budget, who's it for, what is the occasion. And once you decide all these things, you will pick your pattern. And as you do this, you will just check the box. So from picking a pattern to picking a size to picking the yarn and so on till you finish blocking and sharing. Now I've added a row counter so you can keep counting your rows as you crochet. Just keep checking the boxes. After this, we have our project tracker. So you can just note down all the details of this entire project and you can save this page in your project journal so you can have all your crochet projects together. These are some work in progress cards. You can print these out and add these to your projects. So I've added some different colors and we have a few pages to just write any notes that you have. Then we have a yarn inventory page and you can just note down all the yarns that you have. You can obviously print as many copies of this as you like. Then we have a page for our crochet hook sizes and check whichever hook size that you have. And I've just added a page with the standard yarn weight system. So you will get the printable version once you sign up for my newsletter. So you can find the link in the description box below. So I have made 3 versions of this. So one is the printable version and I'll show you the other 2 versions also right now. Now this is the second version. This is the fillable version. So this entire planner is fillable and you don't need to print it out. So I'm just going to show you how to fill this in. It is very easy. You will just take the mouse where you want to fill the detail, click there and then type out whatever detail you want. And you can do this for all the pages. These links here are clickable, so they will take you to my YouTube, my Etsy shop, Instagram and so on. And when you click on the links here or when you click on any of the contents of the index, they will take you directly to the page. So suppose I click on daily planner. It will take me directly to the daily planner page and here I can add all the things that I want to do and I can also schedule them in. So if I write crochet blanket. I can say I'm going to start crocheting at 3 o'clock. So I can block out this hour for crocheting my blanket. Of course, you can write what you're grateful for and take any notes. So let me show you one more. If you go to the row counter, for example, you can just check these boxes. So you can see I've checked row 1. Then when I finish row 2, I will check row 2, 3 and so on. So let's do one more. I'm going to the monthly planner, and on the 10th of Jan, I have a crochet deadline for gift. So you can obviously fill out whatever details that you want. And on 24th, I have a charity deadline. So you can see the entire month at a glance here, and you can see all your deadlines here or anything else that you want to fill in this planner. So in the same way, you want to fill out the entire planner and you want to remember to save it once you finish, because if you don't save it, the next time you open this planner, it will be blank. To save this planner, you will click on this little floppy that you see here with the small pen and you'll be able to save it. You'll just add a name and where to save it and you will save it. Now this is the third version, and this version is the any year planner. So you can use this for any year even after 2024, and it has a crochet bucket list that is extra and a monthly planner like this. So you don't have the exact months. You're going to fill in the month and the year, and then you can fill in the days. You have another version of this, and you have one more version where you can just fill in week-wise whatever you want to do. And you have a monthly reflection page. And I have added one more extra page, which is the expense tracker for this. Now you can get the printable version once you sign up for my newsletter. But if you want the fillable version, you can just fill in the survey below that I have linked. So you'll get the fillable version and the any year planner when you fill that in. Or you can also just purchase it for my Etsy shop. So you will get all the three versions, which is the printable version, the fillable version and the any year version. So once you click on the survey form, I just want to show you what it is. It's just a Let's All Crochet YouTube channel survey, and this will help me decide which videos to make for you in 2024 and so on. It is very easy. You will just have to fill out a few questions, and I do hope you will fill it in so I can send you your fillable planner and your any year crochet planner. So this is a different type of video, and I really hope you enjoy these planners and let me know what you think about this. So the printable version is really all that you need, and you can print out as many pages or whatever page you want. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy using the planners, and see you next time.